Hey guys, welcome to the start of a new weekly. I'm vlogging mainly because today I've got a really nice event I thought might be cute to kind of show. So basically, my mom's favourite ever Molton Brown fragrance was called Neroli Jasmine or something like that. They stopped doing that, but I think they like rebranded it as Orange and Bergamot. I think I might be getting that wrong, but anyway, Molton Brown are hosting a calligraphy event today for the relaunch of their Orange and Bergamot, and they've just sent the loveliest, like honestly they do the nicest and little treat packages, and I couldn't be more excited about this. Like, I'm so appreciative. So this wooden crate, and inside we have a little box with everything we need for our calligraphy. I'm pretty sure I've done calligraphy with this company before, so I'll be excited to do it again. I haven't done calligraphy in a while, but we've got some really pretty inks and some paper. I actually need to dig out some paper for this. Gorgeous bouquet of summer spring flowers. The products in here, I've actually already got the perfume out because I wanted to wear it, but yeah, the packaging is so gorgeous and my mum loves this, so I think I'm gonna have to share this all with her. But yeah, I've actually only got a couple of minutes, so I need to get on this call now. That event was so cute. Never used metallic paints for calligraphy before, but I really enjoyed it, and I'm definitely going to be doing this a lot more in my spare time because it is so relaxing. It's like actually proven to be something you can do to de-stress and like meditate, is just to do calligraphy, because you have to concentrate so much and you have to really take your time with writing. Like, just, yeah, it just slows everything down a bit. I love calligraphy. This is what the metallic looks like. I hope you can see that I have traced that, but yeah, we got to practice some letters, and these are freehand. I did these without tracing. I'm alright with the pen. Getting used to the paint was a little bit harder though, but on like black card, that looks so cool. I am going to make a cup of tea, make a hot water bottle, and I'm gonna go and sit in bed because I asked on Instagram yesterday for some Q&A questions. I haven't done a Insta Q&A in ages, so I am going to, yeah, sit in bed with my cup of tea, maybe a biscuit, and answer your questions. Is there any worse feeling than having socks that are too big on? Look at that. These are really nice. They're very soft, but they are so big on me. I keep getting them in a twist. It is 7 o'clock. We've got a nice British pub grub for dinners. We've got ham, egg and chips with spinach and garlic, because today I need to eat a whole clove of garlic for my reintroduction of low FODMAP, so I am gonna stank. Here we go. Yeah, these chips look a bit weird, don't they? Maurice is not a lap cat, but right now he's on G's lap. This is like big news. So it's all about the catnip. It's all about the catnip toy, yeah. He wouldn't do that otherwise. Need to get him used to it though. I'm going to shut it straight down. Hey guys, it is Saturday, starting this weekly vlog. Stood on my dining room chair because I'm trying to take a flat lay of this awesome meal kit, at home meal kit restaurant delivery service that I found called Le Swine, and it's incredible bacon butties at home, and the packaging is awesome. It looks like this. It's just the coolest thing ever. I'll leave a link to them down below, but I am so excited. Look how good this bacon looks. This looks so delicious. That sandwich was awesome. Mind focus, yeah, kind of. It's a couple of hours later now. We I've just been sitting on the sofa doing some wedding planning because we booked our wedding venue a couple of weeks ago. Since then, we've just kind of been trying to chip away at it a little bit every day. We're currently in the process of talking to all the caterers. We've got 5 different ones to choose between, and we've had meetings set up every lunchtime to like chat to them about what we want and get quotes. Catering is so expensive. Like, I think in my head I had about 5 grand budgeted for catering. We got our first quote back and it was £11,000. Insane. And we're not even having a huge wedding. I think that's for 80 guests, 40 people each. Not all of them will come, maybe, I don't know, but yeah, 11 grand, so expensive. So I'm hoping some of the other quotes aren't as much as that, because that's so much money. That's like 5 designer handbags. I would love to start doing some more wedding planning content, but I really don't know how to do that without like giving away everything. So if you guys have any ideas for like, yeah, what you'd like to see in terms of wedding content, yeah, let me know, because I'd like to start making some wedding content if you would like. I'm making us a cup of tea now, and I think I started a new book and I'd quite like to read that on the sofa, but I'd also like to catch up on Drag Race UK, and I'm going to be baking some gluten-free low FODMAP brownies today because it's G's birthday tomorrow. Are you excited?
What's me?
Yeah.
I can't wait. What for?
Your birthday.
Wait.
I literally just wrote a blog post. Have you read it yet? My blog post is up. I just wrote a blog post all about my anxiety because Jeff doesn't want he just wants a super chill day, and for some reason, because of past issues, made me feel really vulnerable, which is so stupid. But if you want to read that, go and check out my blog post. I forgot what tea is mine. They both smell very similar. Yeah, I'm gonna bake some brownies. I've got myself a new mixer because next week I'm also making a cake for my sister's sex reveal. I was gonna get one made, like custom, like, what's the word? Commission someone to make it, but then I thought it'd be nicer for me to make it myself, but it's going to be so intense because I've got the most bizarre, well, I've just got the most extravagant cake planned that I want to make. I can see it in my head, so I'm going to vlog that if you guys would like to see me baking. Oh, and probably failing to make a baby sex reveal cake. Yeah, stay tuned. I went to Say No's yesterday and got some snacks for G's birthday, so I'm going to give him a little haul of what I've got. RuPaul's Drag Race. Let the best one win. No, don't look. So my snacks for you are McVitie's VIB's Blood Orange.
Whoa.
These are my pancakes. These are your pancakes. I got gluten-free ones. I got unicorn frosting for my sex cake for your birthday.
Yes.
Some button. I got you some gingerbread biscuits. I got these because I couldn't resist.
Little cheeks.
Look how cute they are.
Ow. Wait. Mini eggs.
All the rest is for my baking, and I've got myself some after eights, and I've got these for tomorrow. Colin the caterpillar. They're your snacks.
Thanks, babe.
What
That's
snacks
loads
do
of
you
snacks.
like?
What are you having? Do you want anything?
I'm full. Still. I am now going to make G some brownies. Made a couple of weeks ago and they were so good. They are low FODMAP in small portions and gluten-free, and yeah, because it's his birthday, he got to choose what kind of cake he wanted. So we're having brownies. What are you doing? Oh, your mouse! I'm going to put some mini eggs on top, and I also really want to try one with a cream egg in the top because I think that would just be really fun, and the pictures of those kind of brownies look awesome, but I haven't tried it yet. But yeah, I'm going to make it. Also, I bought myself especially this new mixer, and I've always dreamt about having a mixer like this. So yeah, I'm super happy. I think it was like 120 quid from Amazon, but yeah, it's going to come in very handy because I've got a lot of baking coming up. I think it will encourage me to bake more as well, so yeah, I'm just very happy with it. I love it. So I'm going to get all the ingredients ready and I'm going to whisk it in this. use my mixer now. How exciting. Cool!
Babe, you're well professional.
I know!
You're so professional.
Don't want to overbeat it, I don't think.
So professional, babe.
I love it.
Well, Reese, isn't she professional?
I'm professional, Reese. Say it. Okay, I am ready to put my bakes into the oven. 35 to 40 minutes. This is my cream egg one. And this is my normal one, which I'm going to cover with mini eggs once it's out. I keep being so tempted to lick my fingers and then remembering that it's got raw egg in it. Ew. Just had a lovely long Zoom call with a couple of our friends. They've just bought a house, so they gave us a little house tour, which was really nice. And my brownies finished. I actually think I underbaked them slightly, but that does mean they're nice and gooey in the middle, which is good. I baked them for like 10 minutes longer than was recommended, but I think they're just a little bit thicker. But yeah, they look so good. So half of it has mini eggs, half of it is normal, and then I made another one with cream eggs on, and I'm just dishing it up into a Tupperware here. We've got our new favourite takeaway, which is an Honest Burger, and the only reason we discovered it is because they do a food that I can eat on No FODMAP. They do gluten-free burgers with chips, which obviously potato is fine, and you can like customise your burgers so you can get stuff like taken out. So got a burger, removed the sauce, removed the onions, a gluten-free bun. I just love Honest Burger because they always leave a little like love note in their deliveries. This one says, "Enjoy, babes, love you." I think they must know we're regulars now because this is the 4th one we've had in like 2 months. I'm not gonna lie, my stomach is so painful from that bun I had this morning. I only had half of the bun. I'm in agony. Like, yeah, this feels as bad as the soy sauce.
Does it?
Yeah, but
maybe you become so sensitized to it.
I don't know. But yeah, it's kind of a delayed response. Well, it was painful straight away, but it's just got more and more painful throughout the day. I don't look too bloated. Yeah, it's just really painful. So this burger's probably not going to help, but I'm going to enjoy it. It is Sunday. It's G's birthday. He opened his presents in bed. It was really nice. But right now, I'm going to make him breakfast. We're having pancakes, and yeah, then we're going to go for a very long walk. We have just walked about an hour, maybe a bit more.
Maybe a bit more, yeah. To
Millwall, because G's birthday wish was to go on a walk without me moaning, because I hate walks. So we've walked to Millwall in the intention to walk through the Greenwich foot tunnel. So we've got Greenwich opposite, which is so nice, and we even made flasks of tea.
Which I can't.
Oh no.
Put the lid off. Oh, I can, but look what happened. Oh no, here we go. I've done it.
There you go. G's got a Marquee Grey tea. Happy birthday. I've got oat milk. I'm looking at all the seagulls that I'm mudlarking right now. Yeah, this is nice. And I'm also eyeing up the Cutty Sark because I know there's a Nando's next door, even though it was shut. We are in the tunnel. It's so old. I've never been in here before, so it's kind of cool. We are walking through Greenwich. What is it? Royal Navy College. So beautiful. The sun's come out as well, which is so nice. We got home. I had a little bit of tea and some brownie outside. Just catching up on some Married at First Sight. And now we've got video call with G's parents. Hey! You're so gorgeous! You're such a gorgeous boy! I love you so much! Wow, I look hot! I've just taken my makeup off. My skin's super dry on my chin at the moment, and I've got loads of blemishes because of period. And I've been using loads of like drying acne products to try and help get rid of all these spots, but it's just made my skin super dry. So yeah, I wanted to take my makeup off and give it a quick exfoliate. But G's just popped out to get our food. We've ordered a meat liquor, which never had as a takeaway before, and I'm really looking forward to it. Ordered way too much food, but we've got a burger, some chips, mac and cheese bites, and then some buffalo like chicken strip things. So good. Whoa. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Just me signing off. Kind of been a short one today, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If there's anything you want to see coming up, let me know, and I'll see you next week.